Good day, Sir Aaron. My problem is the water shortage of the community. I make this onto Taal model, which is from the top is the water shortage, and the the next to water shortage is the patterns that first of all we must discuss that because of the water shortage the the demand didn't meet the consumer because of overpopulated place in small in small community which is regulating the water. And the second on that is the, well, basically most of the time our community, the shortage in water is common problem which mostly we face it in our daily lives. But d- due to urbanization, the demand for water is increases. So we must keep in hand that resources is one of the most essential thing for keeping at the demand. Also, at the last one is the mental models, or how do we allow it. Uh, first of all, we must embrace that there's no stopping at the overpopulated place. Mostly of us because there's so much students that is current currently board in the particular area, but because of maximizing the space or occupying the small spaces, so the consumer are doubled than the demand in the water resources. Therefore, we face this a lot in our daily lives. Uh, but yeah, yet we could lift our small problems if we see this to another solution, to another way to make a solution, just like for getting bigger water storage, that container that uh, we could we could ki- uh, we could spend our night to keep that full so we can use that in the morning. But definitely for the longer term, we could we could base our we could we could base on just like I put there, embracing a circular economy model involves in rethinking of water usage. That is number one, that we could just like bigger container. And also the we cannot we cannot uh, we cannot we cannot this we cannot we cannot see that the problem should should not just be there. It should be our solution must be intact, that we need a new resources for this. And that's all. Thank you.